We were sent this 2-pack of dusk to dawn LED lights, and I am super excited because we have a light that we actually need to replace downstairs, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to do that. But first, I wanted to show you what they actually sent in the box. This box is packaged extremely well. I kind of already took a sneak peek. They got padding in there. You've got all the hardware that's required to mount both of these lights. These lights come in a single unit, so they're not a bunch of separate pieces to put in. It's a powder-coated aluminum metal frame, tempered glass. The light bulbs are already installed. It's a 3000K warm white LED light, so it's very energy efficient. So this is everything that came in the box, the 2 lights and the hardware, and I'm really excited about the fact that they thought well enough to include these little black caps that are going to go on here to put the caps on the final screws. Is a great finishing touch on this so it doesn't show any silver on the outside of this beautiful light. And it's going to mount simply by using these 2 wires and the ground wire, and we're going to do that outside, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to do that. So to remove the old light, which is barely on there, I'm just going to remove these 2 little caps where it's screwed into the wall. Once you've got those removed, the old light will simply come off, exposing your box. We just have to disconnect these lines, and the old light's removed. I'm going to go ahead and remove the old bracket so that we can put the new bracket on. I'm going to install this new bracket. It's got the hardware. Install that on there. And so the ground cable you need to attach to the ground. In this case, on this base plate, it's this green screw where it says G&D for ground. White and our black line here. We're going to take our white and we're simply going to connect it to this other white line and twist it around with the provided wire nuts. We're going to attach the black one again with the provided fastener. Then we're going to tuck all this back in the wall through the hole. I'm going to remove these black caps. And we're going to slide this over the top of this. All right, now that we've got it up there, it's poking through the holes, you just got to use these black caps, put them over there, and tighten them down with your fingers. They only really need to be finger tight. And we're going to do that on both sides. Now that that one's tight, we just need to look at it and make adjustments. Make sure we get it lined up just right. And then we'll show you what it looks like at night. There is the beautiful light installed at night. It's a lovely warm light that pushes up against the house with a great contrast against the brick, providing plenty of light down below. Again, dusk to dawn light. Absolutely love it. Sleek, contemporary looking design. Very pleased.